Hello, space and science enthusiasts. Today we will share with you a chilling news announced by NASA. Yes, you heard right. A newly discovered asteroid may hit Earth in 2046. Stay with us until the end of the video for details, and do not miss this exciting development. Recently, NASA announced that the probability of a 50-meter asteroid called 2023 DW hitting our planet in approximately 23 years is 1 in 600. This new discovery made a big impact in the scientific world. Well, what does it mean? According to NASA's Planetary Defense Coordination Office, this asteroid poses an above-average risk to Earth. However, they still state that the chance is very small. In fact, this risk level is expected to decrease as clearer observations are made about the asteroid. 2023 DW was first detected on February 27th and is estimated to be around 50 meters in diameter, the length of an Olympic swimming pool. This huge space rock is expected to pass very close to Earth on February 14th, 2046. According to the European Space Agency, the odds of the asteroid hitting Earth directly are currently calculated at 1 in 625, but these odds are reevaluated daily. NASA states that when new objects are first discovered, they need several weeks of data to reduce uncertainties and better predict their orbits in the coming years. So, we will have clearer information in the coming days. Let's not forget that such an asteroid hitting Earth may not be as devastating as the massive asteroid that wiped out the dinosaurs 66 million years ago. However, if 2023 DW hits a major city or densely populated area, it could cause serious damage. If you remember, a smaller meteor that exploded in Chelyabinsk, Russia in 2013 damaged thousands of buildings and injured approximately 1,500 people. The good news is that scientists are working quickly to protect the Earth from such potential dangers. Last week, NASA released 4 studies confirming the success of the Double Asteroid Redirection Test, DART mission. This mission managed to change the orbit of a small asteroid after it directly hit a spacecraft. New missions are currently being worked on to increase the effectiveness of this planetary defense technique. Yes, dear viewers, we are very happy to share these exciting developments with you. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more information and the latest news about space. See you in our next video.